Did you know that adhesive lamination is a critical step in creating custom materials? So in this video, we're going to talk about why adhesive lamination might be essential for your part and the different types of adhesive lamination. Adhesive lamination is the process of bonding adhesive to a substrate, and that can be done through various methods like running it through pressure with rollers, or maybe using a heat-activated adhesive or heated element to laminate it to the substrate. For example, think about the packaging for your favorite snacks. That shiny, flexible material isn't just one layer. It's a combination of different films laminated together. The outer layer might provide durability and branding, while the inner layer keeps the food fresh. Lamination ensures these layers stick together seamlessly, creating the packaging you trust to keep your snacks safe. While you might be thinking of hand lamination, most adhesives or flexible materials come in roll form, which allows the laminating process to be on a continuous cycle. Rather than having to swap out parts, converters will run these rolls through a press in a continuous process. This is called web lamination. This is a key process for flexible material converters, and it's often turned into flexible parts. Web lamination streamlines production, aiming for single pass production processes, where raw materials enter a machine and fully die-cut components emerge at the end. Laminating an adhesive can fail for many reasons, often tied to mechanical precision or material compatibility. Some of the biggest reasons for adhesive lamination failure is material tension or angles, which causes misalignment during the process and can create air bubbles, tears, or deformities. Testing and adjustments are essential to ensure accuracy. Next is material incompatibility. Some materials, like silicone adhesives with silicone liners, can cause bonding issues unless paired with appropriate alternatives. Lastly is using flimsy materials. Highly flexible materials can lead to production challenges such as miscuts or excessive waste. Proper material selection is crucial for manufacturability. Adhesive lamination should be considered when the current adhesives or liners that you use aren't meeting the needs of your application. If you need specialized bonding solutions such as combining adhesives, or if you want to improve the manufacturability of your design, then lamination could be a good fit for your process. Consulting with a converter ensures that your process is tailored to your specific project's needs. If you're interested in learning more about lamination and how it might be able to be used in your process, feel free to check out our Learning Center, where we have countless videos on the adhesive converting process. Or you can always reach out to us directly. Thanks for watching.